Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a picture to your video in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your device. Next, import the video you want to edit. You can do this by clicking on the Import button or by dragging the video file into the Import section. Once your video is uploaded, click on the Import button again to upload the picture you want to add to your video. Now, drag both the video and the picture onto the timeline. Make sure the image is on the upper layer of the video. After that, you can adjust the length of the image to match the duration you want it to appear in your video. You can also resize and reposition the image as needed. Additionally, you can also play around with the blend options to make your picture fit perfectly with your video. Once you're satisfied with the placement and duration of the image, select both the video and the image. Then, right-click on the selected clips and choose Create Compound Clip. This will combine your video and image into a single clip. And that's it! You have successfully added a picture to your video in CapCut. You can now export the video by clicking on the Export button. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.